In a significant ruling, the Central Information Commission or CIC has held that lawyers cannot use the Right to Information Act to seek details related to cases they are handling for their clients. The order was passed by Information Commissioner Sudharani, who dismissed a second appeal filed by an advocate in a dispute involving the termination of a fruits and vegetable supply contract at the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya in Haryana. In her order dated January 12, Sudha noted that the appellant, an advocate by profession, has sought information on behalf of his brother, who was a supplier to the public authority. She observed that there was no justification for the advocate seeking information on behalf of another person who could independently file an RTI application as a citizen. The CIC relied on a judgment of the Madras High Court, which held that while an advocate may seek information in his personal capability as a citizen, he cannot do so on behalf of a client. The High Court had warned that allowing such practices would defeat the objectives of the RTI Act, stating that the law should not become a tool for advocates to obtain information for professional or personal ends. Sudha took a similar view in another case involving the Inland Waterways Authority of India, where RTI applications and appeals were filed by a lawyer on behalf of a client. Both cases were disposed of on January 12th and January 14th, citing the same High Court judgment.